Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to use mental algebra to find the inverse function f negative 1x. Alright, first you have to imagine that you have imaginary x in your brain. So just imagine that you got an x in your brain. So we're gonna use a very simple algebra. First, if you look at the first example, we have x plus 3. Imagine you bring over the 3 to your imaginary x, so you have x minus 3. So the final answer, f inverse, will be x minus 3. It's very easy. So the next example, we have, let's say, fx equals to x minus 5. So imaginary x is here in your brain, so you bring over negative 5 becomes plus 5. So the f inverse will be x plus 5. So this is how we find the inverse function without using the let y method. So it's very straightforward. You still get full mark, don't worry. Okay, fx equals to x minus 1 over 2. Bring over the 2 first. You times with your imaginary x, you get 2x. Bring over negative 1 becomes plus 1. So the answer will be 2x plus 1. Because this is only like 1 or 2 marks, so you still get full mark. So it's don't worry if you're not using the let y method. Alright, next we have x plus 3 over 4. So first you times the 4 with your imaginary x, you got 4x. And then you bring over 3 becomes minus 3. So the answer will be 4x minus 3. Easy, right? So you can solve any question as long as your x is above, not below. This method only works when x is above, not below. Okay, we have 2 plus x over 3. First times the 3x, 3 with the x, and then bring over the 2, so becomes minus 2. So it's 3x minus 2. And this method only works when x is positive, it's direct. But if you got like a negative, so you need to be very careful. Let's say you have 3 minus x over 5 there, okay, it's negative x. So 5 times x minus 3 is your first step. So, but because you got negative there left, so you bring over the negative, you have to times both equation with negative. So negative times 5x is negative 5x, negative times negative 3 will be positive 3. So this is the final answer. Make sure the negative is bring over as well. So the negative must be bring over. Okay, we have 2x minus 3. First bring over negative 3 becomes plus 3. Bring over the 2 because 2 and x this times, bring over becomes divide, so it's x plus 3 divided by 2. Alright, next we have fx equals to 5x plus 1. Alright, bring over the 1 becomes minus 1, and then bring over the 5, you have to divide, so it's x minus 1 over 5. Right, because the x is already positive, I don't have to do anything, just this is the final answer. Alright, question number 9, we have fx equals to 4 minus 2x. Okay, we have negative there, be careful. Okay, first bring over the 4, so we have x minus 4 over 2. So, or you can have directly x minus 4 over negative 2. You can do this as well. So, as long as you bring the negative, so you can do this. So, but if you want to change to the other version, you can divide the x over negative becomes negative. So, negative 4 over negative 2 become positive. So, 4 minus x over 2 will be the final answer. Both versions are correct. Alright, last example, we have 7 minus 3x. Bring over... if you want to do like 1 by 1, so bring over 7 becomes minus 7, and then bring over negative 3, so you divide by negative 3 there. So this is the second method. So and then you positive divide by negative is negative, negative divide by negative is positive, so you can change this fraction becomes 7 minus x over 3. So both are correct. Good luck and take care.